Mues-Tec now presents itself at the IMM Cologne Pure Architects with the first smart mirror especially made for the hotel industry. We present Malo to you. What can smart mirror Malo do to you? Well, you're in Cologne tonight, you don't know where you want to go, what there is to see. We show it to you right in your mirror. You want to see the Cologne Dome? Book your sightseeing tour right here. So this is my vision. You come home after a stressful day, enter your room, the smart mirror, because of its motion sensor, awakes, and here comes my nice drink. And it says, "Hello Victoria, welcome back. Happy hour begins in 30 minutes. Now who would not want to go there? What else can this mirror do? Well, just basic things like room service. You want to order another towel, you would like to order a bathrobe, you'd like to see the menu. You can do this directly on the mirror. Now, you may ask, why do I need a mirror? My TV can do this, right? Because the mirror can talk back to you. It's about the interaction between your guest and the hotel. You want to have the guests stay more in the hotel, use their services. Because this is connected to the internet, because of the motion sensor, because it's fun to work with it and look in it, when it says, "Hey Victoria, you got 2 hours to get me your dirty laundry to have it ready tomorrow, folded neatly by 7 a.m. I mean, think about it. Hotels are always looking to differentiate themselves. That's normal, every business does. And with this, they can start something new. They can start something that doesn't exist. I mean, we're talking about a product that's not yet available on the market. And we just showed it. And we have it. So we're ready to go. We can do anything here. We can sit with the hotel, plan the best strategy to have an effective marketing, to have an effective communication with the guest. I'm reaching a customer on a level that I didn't reach him before. So either there can be a cost sharing with certain agency when I send them more of my customers. Or of course, I can analyze my restaurant data, my bar data, or my washing data to see that I actually increased sales on that. And for me personally, I travel a lot on business, obviously. Sometimes I'm in the city and I want to know what's happening tonight. You know, and I get that you can look that up on your phone, but why doesn't the hotel give me some more infos on that? You know, work with the tourist information in your city and push some events. What's happening tonight in Cologne? And then if I see it and I like it and I click on it, I can order my ticket right there on the mirror. I can even order the cab that's picking me up in 10 minutes if I wish so. And that, I feel, is not currently available, and that is what we can offer. A win-win situation for the guest who has added value, who loves that, who may decide the next time he's traveling to go with that hotel because he didn't get that anywhere else. And the added value, of course, to the hotel, who increases its revenue streams and simply sets itself aside from other hotels. And the added value to the guest is simply that you are by yourself, alone in a city you may or may not know very well. And here is a hotel that actually is proactive, telling you, hey, you want to do something tonight? This is how. You want to get a drink? Happy hour tonight? Things like that. To me, that's service. And that's the difference between your hotel and the next hotel.